Understanding valve ports. A guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mechanical engineering terms, specifically focusing on valve ports. This phrase might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down in simple terms. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about engineering jargon, you're in the right place. Valve ports are essential components in many mechanical and engineering systems. They are openings in a valve where fluid or gas enters or exits. Think of them as gateways controlling the flow within pipes or engines. Valves and their ports play crucial roles in regulating this flow, ensuring that systems like car engines or water pipes work efficiently. There are several types of valve ports, each with a unique function. Inlet ports, where the fluid enters the valve. Outlet ports, where the fluid exits the valve. Exhaust ports, specifically designed for gases to leave an engine or system. Understanding these types helps in identifying the purpose of each valve in a system. You might be surprised to find that valve ports are part of many everyday items. Car engines. They control fuel and air mixture, crucial for engine performance. Heating systems. Regulate hot water flow in radiators. Water pipes. Maintain water pressure and flow in your home. Recognizing these applications helps in appreciating the importance of valve ports in daily life. Valve ports are not just mechanical parts, they are vital for safety and efficiency. They ensure proper functioning of systems. Without them, engines or heating systems could fail. Safety. They prevent overpressure and potential accidents. Energy efficiency. Proper flow regulation means less energy waste. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing world of valve ports and their significance in both engineering and everyday life. Remember, learning technical terms like these can be fun and enriching. Keep exploring and stay curious. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.